Well, hey! He's right there! They're right here, look at him! Look! Hey! Hi! Look, Juanita! Look! They're right here!
That was awesome. Okay, good morning, guys. We don't look very well this morning because we got started on projects already. We are
Speak for yourself.
going to put this on the toilet. Michael looked at the manual and decided he's winging it. So we're going to see how that's going to turn out.
Yay!
Yeah, so
I can do it.
he's got some of the hoses undone. Now he's doing the nasty hose. And I'm hoping nothing comes out of the black water hose. I already given him napkins. That's a just in case. Okay.
Screw number 1.
Oh, Lord. It's a dirty job. Somebody's got to do it.
Yeah, thanks. How come I always have to do the dirty job? I always get suckered into those.
It's hard for me to see what you're doing.
I'm unscrewing these 4 screws.
Oh, so you're leaving the dirty thingy alone. Okay.
We already got that loose.
Okay.
So I gotta take the pump thing off.
Yep. It looks easy to put back on. So, okay, you got it
the
off.
old one off.
Oh, you're dripping water.
Not a lot of mess yet. Now we got to put the new one, make it look like the old one. Juanita,
Think I got it? Pretty darn close.
And then reconnect it all. Coming along.
Needs to shift. Okay, let's see how we did with winging it.
Alrighty. I'm supposed to now flip, twist, pump water in, rut-row, flip to black water, pump water out, I got new leak now.
Uh-huh. At the bottom.
Again, I'm not a plumber. I've never been able to fix things that after I get done, it doesn't leak.
Okay, peeps. He fixed it.
It does not leak.
Nope, we think the little bit of water that was there was from when we took the hoses off and some of the fresh water leaked out. Yes, it was fresh water, trust me. And I think it's just that it was down there, and of course it's just slowly making its way out because when we dry it, it's not a lot of water.
Now it's all dry.
So we tested it, and we do believe it works. We got a new shiny pump for our toilet.
That does not squirt water at you.
And I'm sorry, I wrote down the instructions, and there is something wrong with needing 13 things to flush a toilet. For going number 1.
And
to go number 2, you need 15 pieces of instructions.
And only Juanita would write instructions down.
This is true. So, but hey, he did it.
I fixed something that
And
doesn't
it's
leak.
only 9:15. Hot dogs, we did good.
It's time for an energy drink.
Morning, peeps. We've been up for a little while. Guess what we've been doing?
So after 2 days,
Yeah.
2 days.
Of fixing the toilet. We think.
we finally.
We think.
Yeah. No more leak.
We think. He said the 4-letter word that should not be used on a boat.
I know.
I even told you when I didn't see it, I was just like, it looks good. I'm not saying the 4-letter word.
Is that drip or leak?
Both. Both. I wasn't saying either one.
2 days. Sell the boat.
I think you had that moment this morning. Yep.
I'm like, really? Are you kidding me?
Just one little spot makes a big mess.
Anyway,
What we think?
Mr. Plumber.
I know. Some things never change. Well aware.
I fixed this leak,
Would you stop saying the 4-letter word?
and then it leaks over here.
Lord have mercy.
I fixed that one. There's another one over here.
If you don't see him on the next video, that's because I pushed his butt overboard. Does anybody know a good plumber?
There's many out there, I'm sure.
Not that can put up with us.
Oh my goodness.
But hopefully it's fixed. We're crossing our fingers. As I told him, it looked really good.
We believe it's fixed.
Yep.